Hello friends, in this video we will discuss can we use interior paints on outdoor surfaces and exterior paints on indoor surfaces. To answer this question we need to understand the differences between interior paint and exterior paint. So let's start. Different environments. Interior paint is more to do with aesthetics and decoration purposes. Interior paint is so made that they can be scrubbed and can resist staining. Interior paint is formulated to be more resistant to physical damage, washable, and prevent dampness. Whereas exterior paint is exposed to all types of varying weather conditions like sun, wind, water, and mildew. And hence, they require extra protection against UV rays, fungal growth, and coarse dampness during the rains and snow. This is done by increasing the amount of resin and pigment in the paint as well as using more resilient additives. Fade resistance. Interior paint is not required to be fade resistant as they are not subjected to extreme temperature conditions and hence they do not fade easily. Whereas exterior paints have to be fade resistant as they face very high temperatures and UV radiations. Resins used. Resin, which is also known as binder, it is an organic substance that adheres the pigment to the surface. The resins used for interior paint are more rigid because the paint does not have to deal with weather and temperature differences like exterior paint. These resins make interior paint less prone to damage from scuffing and easier to clean as well. Whereas the resins used for exterior paint are flexible so that they survive temperature changes and ill effects due to the exposure of moisture. They are supposed to be flexible, that is, they should not easily crack on expansion or contraction of surface. Exterior paint also must be tougher and resist peeling, chipping, and fading from sunlight. For these reasons, the resins used in binding exterior paints must be softer. Curing. Interior paint can be cured even without direct exposure to sunlight, whereas exterior paints need sunlight to cure. Additives. Interior paint does not require additives like pesticides and fungicides, whereas some exterior paint contains many additives like pesticides and fungicides, and that's why they need sunlight to cure. VOC. For those of you who don't know, VOCs are volatile organic compounds. These are essentially toxins which can damage the overall health of people who are exposed to the paint for a longer period of time. Interior paint should have a low or zero VOC. This is important in preserving the air quality in your home. Low or zero VOC help to reduce your health risks. Whereas some exterior paints release more VOCs while curing, and that's why exterior paints are not safe for indoor use. Outgassing. It means release of a gas after the application of paint. As compared with exterior paints, interior paints are delicate. However, it is also interesting to note that interior paints do not outgas. This is why interior paints are much safer to use indoors. Whereas the added resins in exterior paint can cause outgassing that can last up to 48 hours but usually continues in small amounts for years. This is also one of the reasons you should not use exterior paint indoors. Properties. Interior paint is designed to withstand abrasion, whereas exterior paint must be tougher and should be capable of resisting peeling and chipping. Scuffing. It means rubbing or brushing the surface. The resins used in interior paint are less prone to damage from scuffing and also easier to clean, whereas exterior paint is surprisingly more prone to scuffing and scratches. Pigment. Interior paint contains comparatively less pigment as compared to exterior paint, whereas exterior paint may contain more pigment as compared to interior paint. Water resistance. Interior paint is made washable so as to clean spots and marks that they accidentally get, especially by small kids and pets at home. Exterior paint is also supposed to resist water, hence they are made waterproof. There are some paints available in the market which can be used on interior and exterior surfaces both, but it also has its own disadvantages. Now the obvious question that will come in your mind is, can we use interior paint on outdoor surfaces or vice versa? The simple answer is no. Interior and exterior paints are differentiated on the basis of their properties, purpose, and uses, and hence one cannot be used in place of another. You might think that because exterior paints are made tougher and are able to withstand more, that they would perform well in the interior setting too. But this is not the case. In fact, exterior paint tends to scuff and get scratched quite easily, something that is not easy to notice when it is on the exterior of your home, but very noticeable indoors. There is also the fact that exterior paint releases more VOCs into the air. When used indoors, this can be quite dangerous and lead to certain allergies. On the other hand, using interior paint outdoors will result in peeling and cracking due to changing temperatures. So friends, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.